Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2015 Hyundai ix35 stock number 6898. It's ran from the 6th 2013 to the 1st 2016. It's a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand door mirror, some paint fade. Front bonnet no dents. Left front door no dents. Left rear door 1 dent. Left rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front guard 1 dent. Right front 17-inch steel wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.